finally in Marrakesh. Now I need to get to my Riyadh. It's probably like 40 minutes by bus. I'm pretty tired of traveling the whole day, but it went by really fast, so I cannot wait to explore Marrakesh. Let's go. Right now, I'm really glad I didn't rent the car because look at the traffic. It's absolutely insane. I don't know how people can drive here, but I could never. It's really busy city. So I wanted to give you a little overview of my room. This is a typical Riyadh in Morocco. I really like the design of this room, but in a second I will tell you what happened to me, and that's why I'm not that excited about sleeping here or being here. But I will get back to it. I just want to show you how it looks here because this Riyadh is really beautiful. It looks lovely. And the lady was really nice. Okay, to tell you what happened. So I was crossing the streets and I was looking for this Riyadh and I got a bit lost because Google Maps are not working correctly here. So I was following Google Maps and the boys who were playing on the street just came to me like, Madame, oh no, not this way. There is bomb. And they were starting to say like, oh, you won't get to the hotel by this way. It's closed. The road is closed. And they were repeating these sentences and I was like, okay, I started stressing out like, what's happening? What's going on here? They started following me. I told them I don't need their help, so I was still looking on my phone. I was still searching for this hotel. I finally almost managed to find it and one boy asked me, are you looking for this hotel? And he said the name of the hotel and I said yes, and he showed it to me like it was like 5 meters to the hotel. It was like in the next corner and I just came there and the boys were looking at me like, give me some money. Actually did not really help me and I was like, I'm not gonna give them money, like they're just following me and wanted to like scare me, and after that they're asking me for money. And the lady who is the owner of this area just came out and just grabbed me inside to show me the hotel, and I was in like that she came outside and grabbed me to come inside because the boys were looking at me like, give us some money. I don't like when people are like bothering you and are asking for money. Like I know those are kids, maybe it's culture, maybe it's something they usually do here, but it's a scam. I don't like that. And now I feel like I should have stayed at Anza or in Agadir and spend my days there. Right now I'm really stressed because I need to go outside and I will meet those boys. And what am I supposed to do? Like give them money every time I come to the hotel? It's crazy. But not to be all negative, I hope Marrakesh will be amazing because the city looks lovely. I just don't like the scams, you know, and people asking me for money, like get a job. I don't mean like kids getting a job, but you know what I mean, like even adults or people who want to scam me because I'm a tourist. I also have to go to work and I also have to earn some money to afford these trips, so come on. Okay, enough of this talking. I need to get ready and go outside. I'm actually going to the city. I will probably meet those boys, so let's hope for the best. You can tell I am stressed. You can tell. It wasn't like this in Anza at all. It was just chill vibes. Nobody had nothing to do with you and you are just chilling. I wish my boyfriend was here with me, and when he's watching this vlog he will be laughing at me because he told me not to go to Marrakesh by myself. Let's hope nothing will happen and everything will be alright. There's so much happening in this city, like cars are just puzzling the streets. I would really enjoy it if I wasn't scared for my life, you know? You guys, I'm pretty more chilled right now because I accidentally end up in the souks. There's like a lot of people, like international people, so I feel like I'm more safe here because, you know, a lot of tourists means less stress. I managed to find a nice restaurant. It's beautiful here, a beautiful view. I will show you. And I ordered the typical tagine, also with their typical Moroccan mint tea. I had very good dinner at that spot, so I will leave it up here so you can check that out if you'll be in Marrakesh someday. The city is really busy during night, so it's nice to see that. No, it's vlog. It's vlog for YouTube. Oh. You guys, I forgot to tell you what's the plan for tomorrow. I'm actually going to Waterfalls. I booked this through Get Your Guide and they're picking me up at 8:20 and breakfast at the hotel starts at 8:30. So I still need to buy some food for tomorrow. to go, and also like to have breakfast and water and, you know, some groceries to go. You know what you cannot do? You cannot stand and look into your phone and do nothing. You have to walk, because if you stop walking, people will approach and people will start asking questions. For example, I stopped for a while because I'm still searching for a supermarket, and one guy approached me like, Madame, it's not that way, it's not that way. Like, what does it mean it's not that way? You know, I'm not even talking to them. I'm not even looking at them because they want money from me. I've read that somewhere, like people will approach you, they will try to show you the way, and after that they will ask for money. So that's a scam, pretty obvious here. And of course I'm not responding because, you know, I don't want to give money to strangers because they will show me the way. And Google Maps is doing what? For all my girlies who want to visit Morocco, especially Marrakesh, I'm not saying it's unsafe, but I would suggest you to be prepared for people approaching you, for people wanting money from you, from people like wanting to scam you. Just be careful and be safe. That's my only recommendation. Good morning, we have another exciting day ahead of us, and I'm heading to a point where we should meet for the waterfalls. So it's like nearby, it's like 7 minutes by walk. From that point, the van is taking us to the waterfalls. So let's say close by, and then we will take a hike to the waterfall. I will show you which tour I booked. It's for these waterfalls, and it's guided hike and also a boat trip. So just to let you know which one I got from Get Your Guide. But that's also one of the possibilities you can find on Get Your Guide. This video is not sponsored by them, by the way, but I really like their website because they have like a variety of activities in each country. So I just love to browse around and pick the one I would like to do. We finally arrived to the village from which we are taking a 10-minute walk to the waterfalls. From that, we're just gonna walk around and maybe see monkeys. Also, we will see some Berber house, which are like traditional settlers of Morocco. Tour guide seems nice, probably explain a lot about the history of Morocco. I'm excited to hear that. Of course, I've read something on the internet and I've searched everything because I didn't want to come to Morocco without any information. But it's always good to hear that from the locals. Some more interesting information which you cannot really find on the internet. Just trying the traditional mint tea. This one is actually the sweetest I've tried, because yesterday I've tried that one and it was a bit sour, but this one is really sweet.
If you want to make your hair long, strong, soft, if you're suffering from the dandruff, this one, this is for first, rub in your hand, then see here, sorry, try some bubble.
So right now we are gonna go on a boat, which will take us like really close to the waterfall, maybe under the waterfall. Everything for you guys to see. It's a real lovely trip. I'm loving it so far. Now we're just crossing maybe 500 steps and are having a lunch, and it even started raining, so the weather is not good. But at least we've seen the most beautiful things before the weather went completely bad. It's pouring rain. Weather is absolutely terrible. Good morning, we have another exciting day. I haven't vlogged yesterday after the trip because I was all wet and I wanted to go to take a shower and just rest in my room, because I knew that today it's gonna be a pretty busy day as I want to visit Bahia Palace, which is like a main attraction here in Marrakesh. I also wanted to visit famous gardens, but the tickets were sold out and I was checking only yesterday, so it's my bad that I didn't check like sooner. Just to let you know, if you want to visit the famous gardens in Marrakesh, be sure to buy the ticket online and quite in advance. I knew that, of course I knew that, but I was too lazy to buy like sooner, so that's why I won't be attending the gardens. At 3 o'clock. I'm actually leaving for another tour, which is also by Get Your Guide. I booked Agafay Desert, like dinner and sunset view, and camel ride, but I won't be riding camels because I don't really think they're treating them well, so I don't want to support that business. I just want to see the sunset in the desert and want to have dinner there, so I'll be doing that at the evening. But during the day I want to make as much of my day as possible, so I will take you guys with me and we will see some beautiful landmarks of Marrakesh. So let's go. And also wanted to tell you that everything is much slower during the month of Ramadan because people are opening the shops and everything like a bit later than usually. It applies to restaurants and bars and everything. So I made it to the Bahia Palace. So the ticket cost 100 Moroccan dirham. It's pretty busy. It's 10 a.m. and a lot of people already here. I would suggest to come a bit earlier than I did, maybe around 9 when they're opening. But the queue was okay. I waited like 5 minutes, so it was fine. The palace itself was mesmerizing. I highly recommend to come here and see it for yourself, but it was too crowded, like a lot of people. It's kind of hard to take pictures as a solo traveler, so people were kind of staring at me for setting up my phone and shooting videos, but never mind. I have to get over this social anxiety. What fascinates me the most is the Moroccan like architecture. It's so like vivid and colorful. Wow, love it. You can actually get lost in the souks for the countless amount of times because you have like so many shops here, so many things to buy, so many things to try and to see. It's crazy. I'm still not buying anything. Maybe I was thinking about getting a perfume, but I'm not quite sure if it will suit me and if it will smell good to me. Sorry, can I get one please? Yeah. Thank you. Slovakia. Thank you. People just casually saying hi and asking where you're from. It's kind of nice, but you know, you have to be careful and don't share too much information. Especially, I'm not sharing that I'm traveling solo. Let me just try one. Also really good, but I'm not such a picky eater. Sometimes yes, sometimes no, but this is good. In Marrakech, you have many different restaurants and many good ones, so it just depends on what you want. If you want maybe a fancier restaurant, maybe some terrace view. I've decided to go like with terrace view because I love to like watch the city. This one is also a good one, so I will leave the name up here. Right now I'm on my way to the hotel because I need to get changed for the Agafay Desert and I wanted to like take warmer clothes, even though that's the warmest sweater I have with me. You know what I find funny? A lot of people are approaching me and asking about the camera I'm using for this vlog. I'm actually using DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's really practical, it takes a great footage, so a good vlogging camera. I wanted to tell you guys that it's really important where you pick your hotel in Marrakesh, because I picked mine probably in a wrong area. It's like a very local area. I wouldn't be recommending that Riyadh to you. Maybe choose some Riyadh which is like closer to the main square or in some more touristic area, you know. It might be pricier, but you will feel safer for sure. Guys, and if someone who's been to Marrakesh is watching this vlog and you think I'm right, just tell me in the comment. I have a feeling like I'm just paranoid sometimes, you know, just standing and people staring and I get paranoid like so easily because I'm solo traveling, of course. But if you had a similar experience, just let me know. I'm quite curious. I did end up getting argan oil. because I wanted the one infused with rosemary oil for hair growth for my boyfriend. And also I wanted just simple argan oil, and it smelled so good I needed it. There is something in the soup I don't particularly like. And I guess it's celery. Guys, I'm back in Marrakesh and I wanted to give you like an honest review. It was really good. I enjoyed that so much and I'm really glad I booked that Agafay Desert. People were lovely, so I highly recommend booking one for yourself if you come to Marrakesh. The only thing that wasn't that great was that I didn't bring enough warm clothes, so I was cold the whole time, which was not really good. That's only my mistake, so just be prepared to wear a lot of warm clothes if you come during March, for example, or maybe March, April. It can get really cold in the desert. Just mind that. I finally managed to leave my yacht and we're going to Secret Garden. It's another beautiful garden here in Marrakesh. So guys, I wanted to let you know that the gardens were beautiful, but I'm not quite sure if it was worth the money, like 10 euros, and it was quite small.
Hello everyone, how are you? The next the no vlog there, It's vlog with me.
So I got back from the cooking class and I'm back in Marrakesh. It was in Marrakesh, but it was like out of the city center. It was quite nice and insightful. The food tasted really good. What was like the best part that I've met a really nice couple from England. It was really lovely to meet them. So I had a great time thanks to them. I'm just gonna grab a coffee right now. I want to see one cool place which I found on Google Maps. It's a nice coffee spot. You guys, I just got the saffron latte and a matcha cake. This looks delicious. Of course, we need to do a taste test. Let's taste the cake. Yes, thank you. The chocolate is really good. I have never seen that mug. It's really interesting. I always pick it with top stuff. I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you for watching this video if you watched it till the end. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you see more travel content from me. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for more adventures.